Day 45 on Chantix to quit smoking after 30 years. And after looking back on this, my beard has undergone a lot of growth and then trimming and then a lot of growth again. The side effects for Chantix still the same, nothing to report. I said it previously, this is much more of a journey to quit smoking than it is a Chantix, all about Chantix video, but it is about Chantix, so let's talk about Chantix. I can't fucking wait to get off of it. I almost said fuck it this morning, really, just, I woke up and I was like, oh god, another fucking day, and what that means is another day of misery. The side effects for Chantix and the side effects I'm having and the side effects for nicotine withdrawal are all the same, pretty much. Irritability, increased appetite, anxiety, depression, insomnia. I have all that stuff, and I'm over here like, wait a minute, is it the Chantix or is it the lack of nicotine that, anyway, the last 3 days in a row I have gone over 5 cigarettes. I've smoked 6, and I say that lightly. I lit the 6th, but I didn't always finish it, but we're still gonna call it 6. I feel bad about that, and stress levels are really high lately. I've never had a primary care doctor. I'm one of those guys that only goes to the doctor when something is wrong. So for me to go to the doctor, something is wrong. I went to the ER and they sent me on my way and told me to go see a doctor. It's not a heart attack, it's not a stroke, it's not pneumonia. Kick rocks, bitch. And I'm like, fuck, dude. I thought I was coming to see a doctor. Is that not what you are? No. Can you tell me a little more? Anyway, I left with more questions than I had answers. 3 months. 3 fucking months. First of all, I couldn't find a primary doctor that had availability. The one I wanted didn't have availability until January. I finally found some random run-of-the-mill doctor, and I figured that's what it would be, some Walmart doctor that would see me in 3 months, and it was the soonest that I could find. So now I finally go see him, did a bunch of tests, blah, blah, blah. So of course, he doesn't know his shit, so he sends me to a cardiologist. Cardiologist is like, oh, okay, so I see you're here for an injury. No, bitch. You are reading this wrong. I have an injury. It does involve my ribs from many years ago. This freeway sucks. Anyway, so I don't know. I'm stuck in the medical system. America's medical system is fucking trash, man. And knowing that I can go down to Mexico and hand them $1,000 and they'll do every fucking test and every scan in one day and then send me on my way with all my results, like right then, right there. Like, I could have an answer in a day. Like, I know that. I have many friends who have done it. But unfortunately, I'm not in California anymore. Mexico is not very close. Still smoking 5 cigarettes a day. The last 3 days, I kind of fucked up. I feel pretty guilty, but that's okay. I might have already said that, so I might cut that. This is take 2. I don't remember what I said on this one. As far as my diet, my cholesterol is through the roof. And it really, really pisses me off. And the reason it pisses me off so much and it has me so frustrated and it has my stress levels high is because for the last 10, 15, even 20 years, I don't touch fast food. I don't eat fast food. I don't eat McDonald's, no Taco Bell. I don't fuck with none of that shit. I've said it before, actually, I think in this little series. Subway is like the fastest food that I eat, and on occasion, Bojangles or whatever, but that's not me ordering that. That's my girlfriend getting it and me just kind of playing along. If it wasn't, if it was just me in the picture, there would be no fast food. Everything in my house is ingredient. Everything that is edible has to be cooked first. So I eat good. Yeah, I eat fresh. I eat good, and I have for many, many, many years. And knowing that I could have smashed a pound of bacon a day and, the results would have been the same on my cholesterol, pisses me off. It's hereditary. So there's nothing I can do about that. They're probably gonna put me on more pills, and that's lovely. I'm frustrated. I'm fucking depressed. I haven't slept right in weeks, and it's cigarettes / Chantix. But I'm gonna work through it. I suppose it's probably better than having stage 4 COPD, so I can suffer for a few months. My body is literally afraid to quit smoking because it thinks that it'll never be happy again. Yeah, little things, weird little things, like sitting outside on a nice day. Like, oh my God, if I quit smoking, I'm never going to be able to enjoy this again. But that's the strangle it has on me, and probably you too. Some have it worse than others.